Cleveland Water Alliance is an economic development driving organization around the water industry. And what we do is focus on creating open innovation challenges so that we're pushing innovators to focus on where there are gaps in the market. And we also are building out what we're calling test beds so that we're enabling innovators to trial their technologies under real-world conditions. Lake Erie is the shallowest and the most vulnerable to different conditions of any of the Great Lakes. So what we run into here in Lake Erie in terms of agriculture, in terms of industrial use of our water, Lake Erie is the most vulnerable to those changing conditions. So it's really a perfect test bed for different types of technologies. Part of our focus at the Cleveland Water Alliance is to really try and get innovators to land here as a business. So we enable them to test their technologies here. We can also connect companies to manufacture so they can manufacture their technology here. And of course, we have some great other assets in terms of setting up a business here in the region and in Ohio. But if the technology is successful, it could be of use and in high demand in parts all over the world. Well, this region has sort of a unique combination in that because we have the most biodiverse lake and we also have the most sort of vulnerable lake to different conditions, it means that we have a unique opportunity to enable different types of technologies to be trialed here. And we have a whole range of opportunities around smart technologies, sensors, and Internet of Things types of technologies. But that said, some of our challenges are shared by regions all over the world. With our open innovation challenges, we actually had about half of our companies that applied to compete in our Open Innovation Challenge have been from outside of the United States. The companies ranged from, Israel to France, and applicants from, U.S. Southwest and in Europe as well as Asia. In general, the industry is facing water scarcity, water stress that's only increasing, and infrastructure challenges as well. But when it comes to getting innovations to the marketplace to respond to that ever-increasing stress, it's very challenging to do. So providing innovators with ways to accelerate how they're deploying their technologies, getting a view of those technologies in front of the utilities or universities or agencies that might actually adopt the technologies is a key part of what the Cleveland Water Alliance does. In other words, we're not only providing a place for innovators to test their technologies, we're providing the audience to watch what happens when they test their technologies and to accelerate their interest in buying those technologies and making an economic impact.